Hello, welcome back. I hope you have submitted your activity of day 1 in the group. If not, then please, you still have time, do your activity. If you will not take action, you will not be able to see results and you will end up saying like this, I didn't get what I wanted from this program, which I really don't want to hear. So please take action. Day 1 was all about awareness and day 2 is all about clarity. Yeah. Now if I'll say that you need to go from Delhi to Mumbai, what you will do? You will check the tickets, the price, then how you will go, like plane, by bus, by car, by cab, like how you would like to go. Then you will check the temperature, what type of clothes you should carry with you. You will then book the hotel, which hotel is suitable for you as per your budget. How many days you need to spend there. You will get clarity of everything when you know what your destination is. Now if I will say, hey, just go from Mumbai to anywhere, please go anywhere, what you will do? Anywhere? Where should I go? Shall I go Delhi? Shall I go to Jaipur? Or you will end up going here, there, at the end you will like, what should I do? Where should I go? That's what happened when you don't have clarity. Try to understand the difference. When you know your destination, you have clarity, what to wear, where to go, where to stay, what will be the budget. But when you don't know your destination, you will end up with confusion, with frustration. That's what happens when you are doing things which you don't want to do in your life. The reason is you don't have clarity what you want to do in your life, what you want from your life. And another reason with this is you didn't give yourself that time to even think about it, what you want to do. Agreed? Yes. That's why it's said that clarity is power. It is. Trust me, it is. I'll give you one more funny example. When you know you're fighting with someone and you want to win anyhow. See, you know what outcome you want. You want to win. And you will gonna put 101% effort in that argument just to make sure that you won. And guess what happened? Mostly you do. And another example, when you go out for shopping and when you know what you want, like I want blue color dress, I want this trouser, I want this stilettos, I want this pair of shoes, and when you get that, you will like, oh my god, I got it, see, I got it. And when you didn't get that, you were like, you will go here and there still looking for that, and when you came back home, you will say like, I didn't get that. You didn't end up buying anything because you know what you want. And when you know what you want, you will not do anything, buy anything. That's why it's said that you should have the clarity in your mind what you want to do in your life. See, that examples was just for argument, for going into another city, or for buying stuff. Imagine what will happen in your life if you don't have idea about what actually you want to do. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say here. Now, here is a very important technique to get that clarity in your life. You must have heard about it. I'm sure you must have heard about it. But Now you should ponder, but if you know about it, still no action. This technique is SMART goals. Creating SMART goals for you, for your life, for your amazing, amazing life. SMART goals. Now, what does that mean? I could have said it only goals, but why SMART goals? Here is the difference. Goals mean, I'll give you an example. I want to transform 50 million lives. That will be a goal. Now, let me make it more specific with the timings and dates. I want to transform 50 million lives till 25th August 2025. Here I made it more specific. Now what will happen if I will gonna put my why this dream, why this date, why this time? As we discussed in day 1, that it will gonna make us committed to our goals, to our SMART goals. And that's what I want from you. I want from you your commitment, not interest. Come on, take an example of your any song which you found interest in, and after few days you were like, oh, please don't play this. That's what happened when you are interested in something. I really don't need your interest, I need your commitment. I really don't want you to be a dreamer only. I want you to become dreamer and doer. So take action. Make a list of goals, SMART goals with your why. Why you want to, if you want to transform somebody's life, then why, when, till how long you can do that. Give yourself some date. You made it more specific. The way I made it in front of you, you too need to make it. नॉलेज का ज्ञान कहीं से भी मिल जाता है. आपने गोल्स के बारे में पहले भी सुना होगा, स्मार्ट गोल्स के बारे में भी पहले सुना होगा. Then why again today? That means you haven't taken any action at that time, but this is the right time. God has given you right time again. You should be grateful that you got this time again to work on yourself for yourself. So give yourself some time and create your SMART goals and clear your why you want this. In my last batch, one lady told me that I don't have any dream, Diksha. I said, why? Because I am married. I was like, what? Come on, you should have some dreams. And I'm sure that you had, but you just, kept it somewhere hidden. So take your dreams out, write it down on a piece of paper, and along with that, your strong why. Why this dream? You will become more committed to it. I'll tell you one story. एक बार एक दोस्त को एक दोस्त गिफ्ट देता है और उस गिफ्ट में जिनी होता है. जिनी हमने मूवीज़ में देखा हुआ है, सीरियल्स में देखा हुआ है कि जिनी वर्क्स लाइक दिस. एंड जो लोग गिफ्ट ले रहा होता है वो इतना खुश होता है, इतना खुश, ये मुझे जिनी मिल गया, मेरा सारा काम ख़त्म हो जाएगा. और जो गिफ्ट दे रहा होता है वो उससे बोलता है कि मैं तुझे ये गिफ्ट तो दे रहा हूँ, बट मेक श्योर कि तू उसे हमेशा बिजी रखे. अगर तू इसे बिजी नहीं रखेगा, ही विल कम आफ्टर यू एंड ही विल ईट यू. एंड दैट अदर पर्सन वॉज लाइक, ओ मेरे पास बहुत काम है, ये तो कभी बिजी फ्री रहेगा ही नहीं. ओके, टेक योर गिफ्ट नाउ. जब वो उसे घर लेकर आता है, 1 दिन काम, 2 दिन काम, तीसरे दिन बहुत काम, और जिनी डिड लाइक दिस. अब तीसरे दिन वो बैठ जाता है, अब मैं काम लाऊं तो लाऊं कहाँ से, और काम अगर नहीं दिया तो ये तो मेरे पीछे आएगा और मुझे खा जाएगा. व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ? भागता है अपने दोस्त के पास पहुँचता है. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ मुझे कोई काम दे जो मैं इस जिन्नी को दूँ, वरना ये जिन्नी तो मेरे पीछे आएगा और मुझे खा जाएगा. What will I do? वो कहता है ये एक पोल है, जैसे ही जिन्नी आए उसे बोलो ऊपर चढ़ो नीचे आओ, ऊपर चढ़ो नीचे आओ, ऊपर चढ़ो नीचे आओ. अच्छा ये सही है, इससे तो जिन्नी बिजी हो जाएगा और मुझे खाएगा भी नहीं. माय गॉड, थैंक यू थैंक यू. और जैसे ही जिन्नी आता है वो जिन्नी को ऊपर नीचे चढ़ने को बोल देता है और जिन्नी अपना काम करने शुरू हो जाता है. वो बिजी हो जाता है, उसका ध्यान अपने काम में लग जाता है और उसकी लाइफ सेफ हो जाती है. इन आवर लाइफ दैट जिन्नी इज़ आवर ब्रेन. हमारा दिमाग हमारा जिन्नी है. अगर इसे पोटेंशियल काम नहीं दिया जाएगा तो ये कुछ भी इधर उधर की चीज़ें, ये वो ध्यान भटकेगा. सो जब कुछ दिमाग में डालना ही है, देन व्हाई नॉट दीज स्मार्ट गोल्स. इट विल गोना मेक यू फोकस्ड. What it will gonna give you clarity. Why? Now another point, I told you to write your smart goals on a piece of paper. Why? There must be a reason. Yes, words have got so much power. When you think of something, you know, like your goals or anything, you give 60% power to those dream, to that dream. And when you write it down, you are about to give 40% more power to that dream to manifest. That's the power of words. So write it down along with your why, repeating it again. So write it down along with your why, that why this dream. Okay, now there is a great quote from my favorite Steve Jobs, which is in the workbook which will be given to you, of connecting dots. See, whatever happened yesterday will be a past. Your past will be your tomorrow today. So you need to focus on your present and your future. Whatever happened, happened. Focus on today. Focus on tomorrow. Focus on today so that your tomorrow can be better. Now, people have, that thought about smart goals that it really don't work. And one reason I just gave you that why it is important to make goals is having clarity. And another reason I told you that if you feed your brain with something, then why not smart goals? Then people say that goals तो पूरे ही नहीं होते, लिख के क्या फ़ायदा. See, there is a great saying by Tony Robbins: if you will think you can, you can. And if you will think you cannot, trust me, you cannot. कितनी बार आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा? सी इट हैपेंड विद मी अ लॉट एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रेजोनेट विद दिस थिंग कि आपको किसी मॉम डैड भैया या किसी ने भी कहा कि प्लीज़ यार मुझे किचन से ये ग्लास ला कर देना, और आप एकदम खड़े होते हो और बोलते हो कि मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ पे, आई डोंट नो वेयर इट इज़. और जब आप किचन में जाते हो, आप इधर उधर देखते हो तो आपको मिलता ही नहीं है. और वहीं से आप बोलते हो कि मॉम आई डिडंट गेट दैट, और वहीं आपकी मॉम किचन में आती है और आपके सामने से वो चीज़ उठा के लेके जाती है. एंड यू वुड लाइक व्हाट द हेल, इट वाज राइट देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, देन व्हाई डिडंट आई गेट दैट. I hope you got my point. The time you stood up, you said, I don't know where it is. And your brain followed your command. आप जो बोलते हो वो होता है. You must have heard that thought become things. It does. So, if you will think your goals will not work, it will really not gonna work. And if you will think that your goals will accomplish, trust me, it will. It will. Now another reason लोग कहते हैं कि I feel inferior to others. See, I too felt that a few years back. But as on day one we discussed that story of Buddha and a lady. उस लेडी को लगा कि प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ मेरे ही साथ है, बट जब वो घर घर जाके जब उसने चावल इकट्ठे करने की कोशिश की तो उसे समझ आया कि हर घर में प्रॉब्लम है. The same way everybody is going through some problem, some issue, some struggle in their life. We are not looking at the other end of the coin. See, every coin has got two faces. We just see only one side. If we will try to see the other side, then we will come to know the reality that this is the struggle they are doing. This is the struggle they had done to reach at that point, at that level. So आप अपनी जर्नी को किसी से कंपेयर मत करो. Don't compare your journey with anyone. Don't compare your goals with everyone. These are your goals. This is your dream. This is your life. Don't compare it with other person. सब अपनी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ किसी ना किसी चीज़ में लगे हैं, किसी ना किसी चीज़ में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. It's not about you only. So take a pen, write down your SMART goals. SMART goals, not goals, SMART goals with your strong why. Last technique. अगर आपने अपने गोल्स ऑलरेडी लिखे हैं, बिकॉज आई नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट इट कि गोल्स होते हैं, स्मार्ट गोल्स लिखने होते हैं. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी लिख रहे हैं, वेरी गुड. और किसी तरीके से आपने किसी भी XYZ रीज़न से आपने उस चीज़ को छोड़ दिया है, stop that you have stopped doing working for those dreams, then continue it. और अगर स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया है, then start it. It's a start, stop, continue. स्टार्ट किया है और किसी वजह से XYZ रीज़न से स्टॉप कर दिया है, तो कंटिन्यू करो. और अगर स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया, देन स्टार्ट इट, डोंट स्टॉप, कंटिन्यू. स्टार्ट, स्टॉप, कंटिन्यू. Repeat this mantra every day in your life so that it won't let you stop. Start, stop, continue. Start, stop, continue. Start saying like this. It will remind you that you are not here to stop. You need to continue. You need to keep moving on, keep moving on. If you will get stuck at any point, I said there will be a quote in the workbook of Steve Jobs, a very famous quote of connecting dots. अगर आप एक जगह रुक जाओगे, how will you connect dots? आप वहाँ से आगे बढ़ोगे तभी तो पीछे मुड़ के वो डॉट्स कनेक्ट कर पाओगे, राइट? अगर ECG में स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाती है, दैट मीन्स RIP. तो लाइफ में अगर अप एंड डाउन्स, लाइफ की जर्नी में अगर अप एंड डाउन नहीं होगा तो यू विल बी डेड. इवन आपको सक्सेस मिल भी जाएगी, दैट विल नॉट बी अ इंडोमिटेबल सक्सेस. दैट सक्सेस विल कम विद द टाइम पीरियड. एंड डू यू रियली थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो सक्सेस एक टाइम के साथ आए फिर आपको तोड़ के रख दे, वो सक्सेस चाहिए आपको? आई एम श्योर नो. आई एम श्योर नो. So it's imperative to move on, to connect your dots. Whatever happened, as we discussed, happened. Leave it. Leave that baggage. Buy some more clothes. And enjoy the life, journey of life. जो आप जितनी प्रॉब्लम्स अभी आपने सफ़र की हैं, जो स्ट्रगल से आप निकल रहे हो, लाइफ के जो अप्स एंड डाउन्स हैं, आपके डॉट्स हैं. आप डॉट्स कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, वो एक्सपीरियंस, वो एक्सपोजर कनेक्ट कर रहे हो. जब आप उस एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लेवल पे पहुंच जाओगे, देन यू विल बी एबल टू लेट पीपल नो दैट दिस इज़ योर जर्नी. दैट वॉज योर जर्नी. दैट्स वॉट यू हैव बीन थ्रू. एंड दैट्स व्हेन यू विल फील लाइक I worth. So live your life happily. Try to connect dots. Try to see the other side of the coin, the possibility. So that's it for day 2. I'm sure you will gonna make the list of your SMART goals, and you can make this start, stop, continue, quote this quote on a piece of paper, write it down on a piece of paper, and put it somewhere where you spend most of your time, just to remind yourself again and again, your dream is waiting for you, your goals are waiting for you. So today's call to action: write down your 3 long-term goals. 3 long-term goals with your short-term goals. Long-term goals, as I said, I want to transform 50 million lives till August 25th, 2025. That will be my long-term goal. Now, what will be my short-term goal? Short-term goals will be my step. The way I am doing this program, I am transforming 10 lives today, so maybe I'll be transforming 20 tomorrow. What will happen? I know with this number, maybe I'll be transforming only 1 life today, or maybe nothing. But I know I need to grow, I need to move on. If not anything today, then something tomorrow, something more tomorrow. And that number will gonna lead to my long-term goal. So write down your steps, which will be your short-term goals, along with your long-term goals, your reason. Make sure you will mention your why along with them. I want you to post this, written goals, SMART goals, short-term goals, long-term goals in the group itself. Yes. And with this, while writing it, don't think anything like, I don't have money, I don't have enough resources, my God, I don't have this, I don't have this. Just stop, please. Keep your limiting beliefs away from you. Stop this mindset. Keep your mindset of how will I do it. Just write down what and why. Leave the how on the universe. There are many people who didn't knew that how they will gonna do it, but they did. Take any example of Einstein or Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi. Do you think that they had some resources? Trust me, they don't. They created. That's what I want you to do. So just focus on what your dream is, what your goals are, SMART goals are, and then start thinking about your why. Why this goal? Why this dream? And be committed to it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna look forward to your activity. Remember, it's all about taking action. If there is no action, there will be no result. So take action. Bye-bye.